So once I have that prepared, I can go to my macro mapping. And over on the macro mapping, I can now see how Rekord Box set up its own performance. And I can take a look and see what each parameter will do. So maybe I'm not feeling this up one. What I can do is I can go down below and I can drag and drop any of these kind of prefab lighting shows. And I already have that one right next to it. So let's grab this one. And I can quickly reassign. If I'm taking a look at the performance and I generally like it, but there's some stuff I still want to change, I can go to this edit tab up on the top, and now I can go and see what parameters are in that particular lighting clip. And you'll see that the lights are actually like doing what is happening inside of here. So let's go back. We'll just do this return tab. Once I have that set up, if I want to get even more refined with it, I can go to my macro editor. So inside of this tab, I now get down below the full song. I also have a little sort of representation as to what's inside of it. And I can click around and select different parts and then adjust my light show accordingly. If I click up here on the tab, it will play back really quickly for me. And I can click again there, and now it will just sort of stop. So that allows me to customize and create my own light show. If I highlight and sort of just drag across, then I get all my parameters up top, and I can do things like change the strobe effect. I can do things like change the different colors. This is the general color. I could say, hey, I want to change a transition, so change from one color to another. If we go up here and do my in a pocket spot, because it's got a moving head to it, I get this tab as well. And now I can change the pattern on how that head's going to move around.